Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete products from your Shopify store. You can delete one product. You can also delete multiple products if you want. Now, what you guys need to do, you just need to log in into your Shopify store. And then you want to select the store that you want to delete products from. Now, after you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store, as you can see here, you just need to click on products in the left, as you can see here. Now, here you will see all the products that you have inside your Shopify store. As you can see here, guys, I have like 6 products, and you can delete, for example, one product, or you can delete all these products. Now, for example, you want to delete one product, you just need to select the product that you want to delete. As you can see next to the product, you can see here this like box. You can just check it. As you can see here, if you want to select all products, you just need to check all this. You just need to click on this. You just need to check all selected. As you can see here, check this, and it will select all your Shopify products, and you can delete all them at once. Now, for now, I am just going to delete this product, for example. As you can see, just selected this product only. Now you want to click on these 3 little dots, as you can see here. Okay, now if it's not clickable, make sure you click on, depending on your browser, you just need to click on these 3 little dots on your Chrome, and then you want to just click this plus, or okay, just click this plus, make it 110%. Just zoom in a little bit, and then you will be able to click on this more actions button, and then you will see here delete products. Click on that, and then you want to click on delete. Now, after you click on delete, make sure you really want to delete the product, because this can't be undo, as you can see here. Now, after you are sure, click on delete, and the product will be deleted from your Shopify store. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.